You can only have a nice tool collection if you can locate what you need when you need it. A trustworthy toolbox is crucial whether you're a DIYer who handles substantial home repair and maintenance projects or an apartment renter who wants to put a few picture frames. Don't need all that additional room and just want something to house your essential tools? You'll be protected with the Dewalt Tough System DS300. This toolbox is similar to the classic form of toolboxes that provide you a single compartment to work with, but it goes one step further by providing additional protection. This is the toolbox for you if you want something that will keep your tools safe no matter what happens outdoors. A 4mm thick structural foam wall makes up the exterior. To keep moisture out, a water seal is placed between the lid and the box. The box may also be used with Dewalt's Tough System metal carrier. Simply hook it onto the carrier and use the central locking mechanism to secure it. With the Tough System, you may extend your storage capacity with modular components that are tailored to your specific requirements. 21.6 inches broad, 13.6 inches deep, and 12.7 inches tall is the size of the toolbox. Keep a compact but sturdy toolbox in your vehicle loaded with the essentials, and you'll always be prepared to handle unexpected repairs while you're out and about. The Torin Big Red 16-inch toolbox is ideal for the job. At 16.7 by 6.9 by 4.9 inches, it's just big enough to hold your hammer, screwdriver set, pliers, and other frequently needed in and emergency tools, but small enough to easily stash in the trunk and light enough to lift without effort, at only 2.7 pounds. The toolbox is composed of heavy-gauge steel with a retro-looking brilliant red corrosion-resistant powder coating. The hefty metal clasp keeps the box firmly locked, so you don't have to worry about your tools scattering when you make a rapid turn or stop, and the easy-to-grasp handle makes retrieving the box a breeze. Because there are no interior sections, you may utilize all of the available space to store bigger instruments. To get the job done, true road warriors need more than just a basic toolbox. Having a portable workshop by your side will keep you prepared and efficient when working, whether you are a professional or just need to transport a lot of gear. The Dewalt DWST20800 is like carrying about 4 different toolkits at all times. With the press of a single lock, the telescopic design expands from a single rectangle to a 4-tier workspace. Once everything is unfurled, each storage place is readily accessible. The many stages will enable you to arrange various tools and components while working while keeping everything within easy reach. The toolbox is convenient to move and store when closed. Most frequent work terrains are appropriate for the heavy-duty wheels. Stackable toolboxes offer you the best of both worlds. You may stack them high like a tool chest for maximum storage in the smallest footprint, or you can separate them when you need to carry just the tools you need. And the Stalwart Oversized portable tool chest excels in both situations. 3 stackable strong plastic toolboxes, 19.5 by 9 by 7, 19.5 by 9 by 13, and 19 by 9 by 9, make up the system. When detached from the stack, the top 2 boxes feature side handles for easy carrying, while the bottom box is attached into the steel rolling frame that supports the complete system. When not in use, a double latch secures the boxes, and a pull-up handle makes it easy to maneuver the complete system on the 2 strong plastic wheels. The complete device weighs 33 pounds and can support up to 150 pounds of weight. If you have a large collection of hand and power tools and need a large box to store them in, the Milwaukee Packout 22-inch rolling toolbox is your best bet. This monster of a box measures a massive 22.1 by 18.6 by 25.6 inches and can hold a staggering 250 pounds. When empty, the package weighs 23 pounds. The Packout is essentially a huge box with no integrated trays or organizers, allowing you to easily put in even large or awkwardly shaped instruments. It's weather-sealed and constructed of heavy-duty red impact-resistant plastic with metal reinforced edges to keep your tools secure from the elements. 2 9-inch all-terrain wheels and an industrial-strength extension handle make transporting the box a pleasure, and strengthened hinges protect the box from collapsing even under extreme circumstances.